What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In this video I will show you a beautiful tweak that you should download. This tweak will redesign the multitasking into this beautiful design. As you see, this tweak will give you this beautiful design and many other designs. This tweak will give you several different designs for multitasking, and it is a free and beautiful tweak. Now I will show you how to download and install the tweak. First, go to Cydia. Go to the sources here and add this source. After adding the source, go to the search here. Now here in the search for Icarus tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. This tweak will give you different designs for multitasking, and it is a free and beautiful tweak. As you see in these pictures, there are beautiful designs for multitasking animation. Now all you have to do is install the tweak. Click modify, install, confirm. I installed the tweak and therefore I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings, scroll down and search for the tweak. This is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is activate the tweak from here. Now here in style option, you will choose the multitasking style. There are some options that you can choose, and the best thing about this tweak is that the changes apply directly and you don't need to respring or restart your device. As you see, the style is also beautiful. You can also choose cylinder style. This design is also beautiful. You can also choose the cover flow style, and this style is also beautiful. You can here also choose the right fade style, and I like this style because the way it is displayed is beautiful. The last style here is wheel, and this style is the best style for me and I use it regularly. Now here in more options you will find some useful options like use live snapshots and show app icon. You can also activate kill or running apps, activate music control, and activate confirm before closing all apps. Alright guys, this is the tweak and it is a free tweak, and the best thing about this tweak is that it works directly without the need to respring or restart your device. Alright guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Peace.